Let's solve exercise 2810, faulty keyboard. Okay, in this exercise, we have to try to get the output expected, and we have a kind of failure where if we have an I, if we press an I, we are going to reverse the previous characters. So in this example, we are going to get an input, which is going to be the word string, and the output is going to be this one. We can see here that when we press an I, we are going to reverse the previous characters. So my solution was, we have another example here where we have a double I. That means that we are going to reverse twice the same stuff. So it's gonna be again in its initial order, but without the eyes, right? The eyes doesn't write an I, just reverse the previous type characters. So here, my solution was, I initialize a new array where I add each letter in arrays, right? First, I split string in each character, so I was able to go each one by each one. So in that point, when I find a letter which is different to I just added this one to the new array. Let's do it. The first letter is S, the second letter is T, and I'm going to write it here. The third letter is an R. So I have here 3 letters, but the next one is gonna be an I. So in this case, I'm going to reverse this array. So I will write here an R, I will write here an S, and I will go ahead with an N. So I will write here, cool, an N, and then I will go ahead and I will get an G, right? I will go ahead and I will get an G, and that's gonna be all. I will return this new array join, and it's gonna look something like that. Joined in the space, in the nothing characters. So it's gonna be like our array split it is, we are going to save it here. Okay. We are going to save each character here. Here we are going through the word. So if the character on I, which is array on I, is going to be S. So if S is different to I, we are going to save, we're going to push S to the new array here. That was what we did. So we are going to do that until we have an I. If character is not equal an I, we are going to do that. But if it's equal, we are going to reverse the array, the new array where we are working. So that's going on until the end of the array. So then we are going to join the new array, and that's gonna be, let me show you, submit, and the submission is this one. This is the result. So that's how I solve exercise description. Cool. So that's how I solve exercise 2810.